Hey, Michael Rosberg here, author and creator of the Tax Resolution Domination System and Toolkit. And maybe you've been at this a while. You've been doing tax resolution for a while, or maybe you're brand new, but you both have the same question. How much should I be spending on my marketing? It really all depends. It depends on where you're at in your current practice. And when I say marketing, I'm talking about bringing in tax problem resolution clients that are worth at least $5,000 to you. My average fee over a 16-year span when I was representing clients before the IRS was $8,700. So when I'm talking about an average of $5,000, that's the minimum. That's on the low end. Now, if you already have a regular tax or accounting practice and you have clients, you're going to be spending less initially to bring in those tax resolution clients because you're sitting on a gold mine. You're sitting on cases that you don't even know you have because the people in your database, your previous and existing clients, don't even realize you do this type of work. So once they know that you offer IRS representation services in your local market, those people will start contacting you right away to help them with their IRS problems. Not only that, but each one of them in your database knows another 200 people in their circle of influence, and they will reference or refer their friends or family members to you. Now, the rule of thumb is on a cost per acquisition basis. You probably are looking at spending about $667 to $1,000 to bring on a new tax problem resolution client. Now, if the average fee is worth at least $5,000, you can easily do that. Now, do you see the difference that if you just have a regular tax or accounting practice and you're doing tax returns for $250 or $300 or even $350 a 1040 return, there's not a lot of margin at all at the end of the day to spend on marketing. And that's why it's a commoditized, basically unprofitable practice when you're just doing tax prep and accounting work. So getting in or bringing in new tax resolution clients with a minimum value of $5,000 is going to be doing a lot for not only your practice, but your personal life. And look, there was no industry 18 years ago. I mean, prior to 1998, there was no tax resolution industry. Then President Clinton enacted the Tax Reform and Restructuring Act in 1998. But prior to that, let me just say prior to that, I remember watching the Senate televised finance hearings in the fall of 1997, where the average American got up in front of the TV cameras and basically said how the IRS ruined their lives, padlocked their businesses. For what? For just owing the IRS money, not because they were bad people, not because they were trying to hide money offshore, not because they were trying to evade taxes, all because life happens. 99.9% of tax problem resolution clients are good people, that a life-altering event took place in their life, which basically put the filing and paying of taxes on the back burner. For instance, death or serious illness of a loved one, of your wife, of your husband, of a daughter, God forbid, a son, a close relative, loss of a job, loss of your major customer if you're self-employed, raiding your 401k and IRA just to make ends meet with every intention of putting the money back within the rollover period, but life happens. For whatever reason, you weren't able to do that or you were underemployed. So I'll just give you a little texture or background on this industry. After 1998, when then President Clinton signed the new law, it gave teeth to this industry. Now you can challenge an IRS wage levy. Now you can appeal a bank levy. It now gave teeth to the new Offer and Compromise program, which is the IRS's Fresh Start or debt settlement program. So when people ask me what should I spend on marketing, again, it depends where you're at. Also, you need to, there's so many different strategies in which to market and bring in new tax resolution clients. You have direct mail, you have internal referral marketing, which is marketing to your existing database. You have external referral marketing, which is marketing to bankruptcy attorneys for referrals, realtors for referrals, mortgage bankers and mortgage brokers, and other professionals who run up against your ideal client every day of the week. So wouldn't it be nice if that maven, that professional, knew you offer these services so that they can help their client by referring their client to you, and then you sending them back when you have the case settled? There's pay-per-click, there's online strategies, social media, there's outdoor advertising, there's radio, there's TV, there's search engine optimization. There are so many strategies at your disposal today to bring in new tax resolution clients to your practice. Also, people don't realize the lifetime value of a tax resolution client, because once you get their case settled, you basically have a client for life. They don't want anyone else to touch their tax returns or accounting. So you have a built-in recurring revenue stream in doing their tax returns going forward. Or maybe you offer and sell health and life insurance products, or you do financial planning. So having or bolting on or adding tax resolution to your existing practice opens up a number of other recurring annual revenue streams for your practice. So the rule of thumb again is it probably costs you, or the investment is about $600 to $1,000 to bring on one new client. So if you want 5 new clients a month, you're looking at between $3,500 to $5,000 in marketing to bring on that client. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're a CPA, an enrolled agent, or an attorney, and you want to learn more about the lucrative tax resolution niche, click on the link above my shoulder, enter your name and email, and you'll go to my free webinar training where I'll teach you and show you how to get tax resolution clients, what to say to them when the phone rings, how to screen them, how to segregate the looky-loos and the tire kickers from qualified prospects, how to schedule the appointment, know what to say, and more importantly, know not what to say to make sure they actually show up in your office or on the phone at the appointed time. I teach you how to get retained, close the deal. What do you say to these qualified prospects in order to get them to take their credit card out from their wallet, give it to you to get retained so you can start working the case and help them. I'll teach you how to get paid in advance before their case settles and how to turn them into referral machines. So just click on the link above, give me your name and email. You'll be automatically entered into that free deep dive training.